Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might find yourself needing to move your Solana from Robinhood to a more flexible option like the Phantom Wallet. This is especially relevant in 2025, with evolving blockchain tech making wallet transfers smoother than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with some Solana in it and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. If you don't have Phantom yet, download it from the App Store and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Navigate to your portfolio and find your Solana holdings. Tap on it to see your balance and options. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw button. Robinhood makes this pretty intuitive. Next, you'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open the Phantom app, go to the wallet section, and copy the address for Solana. It's that long string of letters and numbers, so double check it to avoid any mistakes. Now, back in Robinhood, select the option to withdraw or transfer crypto. Paste in your Phantom wallet address, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and review the details carefully. Robinhood might show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that. Transfers are usually fast, but fees can vary. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction should process within minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, hop back into your Phantom wallet and refresh it. You should see your Solana arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a few more minutes or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. One quick tip. Always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test things out, and never share your wallet keys with anyone. There you have it. That's how you send Solana from Robinhood to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's a simple process that puts you in control of your crypto. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.